consisted of two 8-cylinder diesel engines, mechanically supercharged, which produced about 2,150 horsepower. In layman's terms, the capacity is 13,623 cc's or 576 litres. The whole engine weighs 35 tonnes. This was the configuration when you were on the surface or when you were snorting. It's a very dangerous procedure because you've got a lot of valves open and the engines are running and you're under the water. So when you stop snorting, the engines are stopped immediately, the exhaust mask is blown, and all the masks are lowered in the control room.